Hi, Cassandra. How's your algebra?
Hi, I am so good at algebra. I could replace your x and you wouldn't even know why.
That's a joke, right?
And some fell on stony ground. What do you know about algebra?
Not much.
Algebra is a vast subject. How about we start at the beginning with the origins? Background knowledge always helps with understanding.
Sounds good.
Great. Do you know the meaning of algebra?
It's Greek, isn't it?
No, the word algebra is a Latin variation of the Arabic word al-jabra. It is taken from the book title Al-Jabra wa Maqaba. It was written in the year 825 by the Arab mathematician known as Al-Khwarizmi.
So algebra was founded by an Arab?
Persian to be precise. His full name was Abu Abdallah Muhammad ibn Musa Al-Khwarizmi.
A mouthful. How did algebra come about?
The history of algebra began in ancient Egypt and Babylon. The Alexandrian mathematicians Hero of Alexandria and Diaphantus continued the traditions of Egypt and Babylon. In the 9th century, the Arab mathematician Al-Khwarizmi wrote one of the first Arabic algebras, a systematic exposé of the basic theory of equations, with both examples and proofs.
How come Al-Khwarizmi got the credit?
Al-Khwarizmi's The Compendious Book on Calculation by Completion and Balancing can be considered as the first book on algebra. He's been credited with finding algebra because he was amongst the first to use zero as a placeholder. He helped to establish widespread use of the base 10 system, which was much easier to use to perform mathematical operations.
What is a base 10 system?
The base 10 system is a number system based on 10. It is also known as the decimal system or the Hindu-Arabic system.
So it's a decimal system. What is algebra?
Algebra is a division of mathematics designed to help solve certain types of problems quicker and easier. Algebra is based on the concept of unknown values called variables, unlike arithmetic which is based entirely on known number values.
Okay. What does the word algebra mean?
The first part, algebra, means reunion of broken parts. The second part, al-muqabala, translates as to place in front of, to balance, to oppose, to set equal. Together they describe symbol manipulations common in algebra, combining like terms, moving a term to the other side of an equation, etc.
You lost me.
To quote Khalil Gibran, perplexity is the beginning of knowledge. All will be clear in good time. What is your understanding of abstraction?
Abstraction. There is abstract art, art that doesn't represent external reality.
Yes, abstract is a word that is an adjective, like abstract art, or a verb, considering something theoretically, or separately from something else, or a noun, a summary of the contents of a book, article, or speech.
What's abstraction got to do with algebra?
In algebra we are taking something from the concrete real world and thinking about it as ideas and concepts. We use these abstractions to solve a mathematical problem.
Can you show me some examples?
How about we go through the basics of algebra?
That would be great. Thanks.
I got your back. Never fear. Behind every successful person, there is an artificial intelligence. Let's get to it.